Hi and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be making scones. I've got two varieties. I'm going to make the fruited scones and plain scones. To make fruited scones just means plain scone mixture that you've added some dried fruit into. And I've got my ingredients ready. I have 200 grams of plain self-raising flour, 60 grams of cake margarine, 50 ml of fresh milk, 2 tablespoons of dried mixed fruit, which is a mixture of dried peel, sultanas and black currants. You can use any dried fruits of your choice. I have a tablespoon of vanilla, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of castor sugar, that's 40 grams. I'll be using a pinch of salt, that's 3 fingers dipped into the salt, or just a little tiny shake of the salt. The first step in making the fruited scone is to rub the margarine into the flour. So I'm going to place my flour into a bowl, shaking my tiny salt, and add the cake margarine or the butter. Using a wooden spoon, I'm going to just break down the margarine to rub into the flour. Stop the mixing of the margarine into the flour. Once you have a crumbly texture milk, pour the vanilla, whisk the egg and pour into the milk mixture. Pour the sugar into the milk mixture. Whisk the liquid together and pour into the flour and margarine. Slowly mix with a wooden spoon. You can use your hand, but it's very messy, so I prefer to just do this with a spoon or a wooden spoon. Pour all the liquid into the dry ingredients and gently mix the dough. Do not overwork, just gently bring all the ingredients together into a nice smooth ball. Pour in the dried fruit and mix. Dust the work surface with a little bit of flour. Place the mixed scones dough onto the worktop. Gently pour the dough together into a smooth dough. With a rolling pin, roll gently. Don't use too much energy, just slightly touching the top of the rolling pin to the surface of the scones dough. Roll it to about 2 to 3 centimeters and dip a fruited or plain pastry cutter into the dough. Gently push down and carefully remove the dough. Place on a greased baking pan. The next step is to glaze the top of the scones with some milk or whisked egg. Rest the scones for about 20 minutes. Bake at about 180 degrees for 15 minutes. The scones are now ready. I'm going to plate them and serve with some butter and jam. You can also serve them with clotted cream. I'm going to serve mine with some butter and jam. Slice the scones into two. Have a little bit of butter, and I'm going to just squash tiny bit of jam. Place the top bit, and you can serve using a fork and a knife, or just eat with your fingers. Enjoy.